In this video, we're going to show you how to install the engine torque strut on your Hyundai Elantra located underneath your engine. You know, with the vehicle raised and supported, you're normally going to find a big plastic splash shield right here. Well, ours is missing from the vehicle, but you want to go ahead and start by removing that. And how you're going to do that is on the fender liner right here on the driver's side, there's going to be 3 plastic push pins. Go ahead and remove those using a trim tool and popping those buttons out. Along the lower portion of the front bumper, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic push pin retainers. You want to go ahead and remove those, as well as the 3 on this fender liner as well. Go ahead and drop that liner down and set that aside. Now the torque strut itself is bolted to the cross member here. There are 2 14mm bolts. We're going to use our impact gun and our swivel socket to go ahead and gain access to these. Now this torque strut goes inside of the cross member here. We want to remove this bolt here. This is a 17mm. In our particular case, this bolt is in there pretty tight. And use our breaker bar to loosen this. I'm spinning the nut off the back side here. Hold that mount and pull this out. Drop that down and out like so. When installing this component, when we removed the original one, we noticed that this portion here was facing the top and it was solid on the bottom. So insert that into the cross member, feed that up, put that in, and get that nut started. Before tightening this here, I'm going to go ahead and get the 2 rearward bolts installed. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down our horizontal bolt, 17mm wrench on the nut side, and tighten it down. Make sure it's good and tight. Move on to the rearward bolts and tighten these down. Make sure those are good and tight. Now at this point here, if you have your splash shield, you want to go ahead and install that now, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.